Introduce short overview of AHAWILL 100FT permanent outdoor lights RGB plus IC eaves lights with app and remote control, DIY multicolor scene modes, IP67 waterproof, outdoor strings for house, holiday decorations for Halloween, Christmas. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helps you answer the question, is it worth buying? In YouTube's description it is a prominent feature. We are suggest some features. If you want AHAWILL 100FT permanent outdoor lights RGB plus IC eaves lights with app and remote control, more details and or features, descriptions or full reviews, please visit the link in part of YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.